How to share your cart on Temu with someone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your cart on the Temu app. So, make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open the Temu app and search for the card. Go to your cart. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Then, tap on the Share Cart. By default, all the items in your cart are selected, but you can deselect any items you don't want to share. After that, tap on the Share Now. Now, you can preview the link to ensure everything looks good before sharing. Then, choose your preferred method for sharing the link, such as messaging apps, email, or social media. Finally, once you've shared the link, ask the recipient to check their app or browser for the cart you shared. Now you can easily share your entire cart on the Temu with someone. And that's it! Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.